Oh, it's you.
Perhaps if you spent more time supporting Nigel, he wouldn't have had dinner with me during those 3 months you just decided to disappear. Happy holidays.
Wow, Alex. I mean, wow. Is there no line you won't cross to try to hurt me?
Classic Summer. You think everything is about you.
Sorry, but I think the fact that you're making up stuff about my boyfriend is kind of directed at me. And a little pathetic.
Yeah, I went there. Pathetic. You're calling me pathetic? Someone should take a look in the mirror. You are completely in denial about Nigel.
What have I ever done to you to deserve this, Alex?
You know what you did.
Is this about that doll when we were kids?
A doll? Are you kidding me? Stop pretending like you don't know.
I don't. Please tell me, because you're obviously punishing me for something I know nothing about.
Don't act like you don't remember freshman year of high school.
Wow! Alex, Cali, we survived middle school! We made it!
Summer, can you believe we are actually in high school?
We are practically grown.
I know, right? We should use our lunch money to buy stock, reinvest the dividends, and be millionaires by like 30.
You're thinking too small, Cali. We need to make a name for ourselves, become high school celebrities.
Celebrities?
Yes, Alex. We will be like Destiny's Child.
Can I be Beyonce?
No, I'm Beyonce. You're one of the other ones.
Maybe we could get famous from good deeds, like have a bake sale and then donate all of the proceeds to the animal shelter.
Or we could pull off the biggest prank this school has ever seen.
By cow-napping the mascot?
This has to be one of your worst ideas, Summer. I'm out of here.
Yeah, I think I should go too.
Hey, I thought we were Destiny's Child. We can lose one member, but after that, things are gonna get dicey. Now hold on to the cow while I figure out how to get it into the principal's office. This is gonna be great. I'll be right back.
Summer? Hurry.
Now what do we have here?
I was blamed for that whole cow fiasco.
Oh, come on, Alex. It's not like you got in any real trouble. Miss Tremaine said it was too cliche to punish. I tell ya, everyone's a critic. You try coming up with the greatest high school heist the world has ever seen in a matter of minutes. And your parents took you to Europe, for which I never got a thank you.
My parents sent me to boarding school, genius.
Oh.
And you never confessed. You never even apologized.
Alex, I didn't know. I am so sorry.
Too little, too late, Summer. Just like it's too late to save your relationship with Nigel.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle.
Summer, I absolutely love it. Thank you so much.
Anytime, Caroline. Well, actually, no, not really, because that gift was really expensive.
Summer, you got me a gift card?
Oh, no. What? You don't like it? Too impersonal?
No, I love it. I'm so glad you didn't buy me some tacky pen. I would have felt forced to pretend that I liked. You know me so well. Now let me go get your present. I left it in the other room.
Okay, I'll just be here, waiting not so patiently.
Summer? Merry Christmas.
Nigel, I wasn't expecting.
What? What were you not expecting?
Oh, never mind. I love your ugly sweater, and I'm just glad to see you.
Happy holidays!
Oh, and you too, Damon.
I just wanted to drop off my gift.
Aw, Damon, you didn't have to get me anything.
That is what I said.
Nigel, This was really nice of you, Damon.
Merry Christmas, Summer. What? You are not going to wait around to see which present she likes better? Scared of losing, huh? You idiot.
What do you mean, losing? Did y'all turn this into some kind of competition? And what was the prize?
Summer.
Me? Nigel, say it isn't true. I am not a prize to be won. You got me quoting Princess Jasmine. Nigel, why would you do this? Why would you risk everything we had? My heart was already yours.
Summer, I thought I was losing you. You were gone, missing for months. With him.
If you had only taken the time to talk to me, you would have known I only thought of you. It's always been you, Nigel. But you can't say the same, can you?
Summer.
Alex! I'm talking about Alex. Did you or did you not have dinner with her while I was gone?
Summer, it is not what you think.
Then why didn't you tell me? I had to find out from her. She threw it in my face, and all I could do was just stand there.
You do not know what I have had to endure while you were gone. The pressures from my family.
Wait, what you've endured? Are you serious? I was literally fighting for my life in another dimension. Do you know how crazy that sounds? Fighting monsters that aren't even supposed to exist. Fighting to get back to you.
There was a crystal ball, and I saw you and Damon together. I assumed, and I just lost it.
And so what? You run to Alex? Did you even think of fighting for us? I am so done. Goodbye, Nigel.
Summer.
Not now, Damon.
Well, don't you just look fabulous? That dress is stunning on you.
Aw, thank you, Caroline. And since you were the first person to compliment my new dress and not bring up Nigel, you are my new favorite person.
Honey, I'm so sorry about that whole thing. Excuse me, Caroline. I can't cater this party and drink my sparkling water at the same time. Help. Now. Excuse me, I'll be right back.
It's New Year's Eve again. Wow, I feel like we just did this.
Tell me about it. 2020 felt like that movie Groundhog's Day. The same thing over and over again with the occasional disaster thrown in. But that's okay, because at the stroke of midnight, we can say goodbye 2020, hello 2021. I'm predicting clear skies and a drama-free year.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Everybody, run for your life! What? You've got to be kidding me!
Come on, Summer.
False alarm, everyone! False alarm! Sorry! I accidentally pulled the alarm. I thought it was a light switch. My bad!
Summer, are you okay?
Yeah, sorry. I lost it for a minute there. Is it hot in here or is it just me?
Your eyes were glowing.
For real? Like E.T. Roswell Independence Day glowing?
Yeah, all that.
That means I got my powers!
Shh. Maybe don't announce your extraterrestrialness to the entire world. Just a thought.
You're right. We should get out of here before I have any more heated outburst. Get it?
Ugh.
Summer?
Nigel? Oh, come on, universe. Callie, how do I control this?
Just go. I'll do it with him.
Please, don't go. I just want to talk. Summer!
Yeah, sorry. I wouldn't follow her. She's going to the bathroom. Don't eat the potato salad. Gotta go.
Aw, man. ate like 4 plates of that potato salad.
Okay, so this year had a shaky start. But when it comes to controlling these alien powers, Grandma says I'm a quick learner. The quickest she's ever seen. Her exact words.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, and I have a few resolutions. Well, maybe more than a few. But I 100% plan on keeping them this time because, some of these are rollovers from prior years. First things first, I'm gonna try and fix my relationship with Alex. Cause it was, kind of my fault.
Good luck with that.
I'm inviting Jazz back into the friend group. Come on, Jazz. You can stop lurking in doorways and come on over here and sit with us. I know you want to.
Yay! You know, I'm really sorry about the vampire hunter. Nigel's coma, then me secretly working for the vampire hunter, you going into another dimension, and your cactus.
Wait, what happened to the cactus? You know what? It doesn't even matter. Let's just leave it all in 2020. Now, where was I? Oh yeah, I'm done with guy drama.
Hey, what's up?
Keep it moving, buddy. Which brings us to my next resolution. I am going to focus on me, my grades, and mastering my powers.
Can you say that any louder? I don't think the people across the street heard you.
Relax, Callie. No one's looking for us.
Want me to heat your tea for you?
Summer, chill.
FBI, nobody move. Uh-oh. To be continued on the next Summer and Cali. All right, everyone, quiet on the set. Let's get ready to do this. Hey, Toya. Yeah, what's up? I was wondering if I could give my character, like, an accent. Something Shakespearean. Like this. Where art thou, Coco Latte? What do you think? Wow, that was like really something. Okay, let me think about it and I'll get back to you. Until then, play your normal character.
You know what you did.
Pray tell, dear cousin, are you referring to the wee doll of our youth?
What?
Okay, Summer. Again, we are not doing the Shakespearean thing, so stick to the script. All right, take 15. Is this a real cow? No, it's a prop made by Briar. Can we get a real cow? No. That's it. I can't work under these conditions. Not a problem. I'll just call casting. It's not like we haven't replaced you before. No. No need for that. I was just joking, you know? April Fools. It's January. Why would you risk everything we had? Don't you see? My heart was already yours. Cut! What are you doing? You're not even in this scene. Okay, this is like a big moment. We're gonna need a lot of emotion here. Okay, you guys ready? If you had only taken the time to talk to me, you would have known. I only thought... I'm sorry. You would have known I have the giggles. Okay, let's take it again. You would have... I just can't. I need a break.